Hey, what's up everybody? Alex here. Today our topic will be object pronouns, okay? First I will show you the grammar ones, and after that I will make some sentences showing how they are really used in Portuguese, or better saying, how they are not used in Portuguese. Let's jump right in. So when you have the personal pronoun ele, he, you have o or lo, okay, meaning him. This means him, right? Ela, she. A, la. She, her, two forms. Tu, you, informal singular. Te, which for English speakers is you, sorry. Nós, we. Nós. Have nos. We just write N-O-S. Alright? Vocês, you all. Okay, you all. Yes. Yes. You, plural. Eles, they, masculine. Os, los, them. Elas, they, feminine in Portuguese. As, las, them. Okay? This is what grammar tells us, right? This is the forms you are going to find in books, in newspapers, okay? In formal speaking, formal writing, sorry, okay? And also formal speech, if they are talking about the subjects or in a presentation, something like that. But in real Portuguese, Portuguese we speak on a daily basis, people do something kind of easier, okay? I'll show you. Leva ele para casa. This means take him home. Okay? Informal Portuguese. Leva o him home. Para casa. Okay? Leva-o para casa. But again, this is the real thing, what we're going to listen on an everyday conversation, and this is the right way to say it, okay, and to write it. Ajuda ela, help her, okay, so it would be ajuda here, but you never listen, you never hear this form, okay? Ajuda, ajuda ela, okay? Help me, ajuda-me. Me, ajuda. Right? We usually put this object pronoun here in the beginning, before the verb. The right thing, just like in English, is after it. Ajuda-me. But, again, it's spoken Portuguese, so this is the form we use, right? Now you have contractions in Portuguese, so fala conosco, talk to us. Okay, we don't say com nos. That would be com with us. We contract. Okay, this doesn't exist. Conosco. Conosco. Okay. Trabalha comigo. With me. We don't say com eu. Com eu. Comigo. With me. Eu estudo contigo. I study with you. Again, there is no com tu, com te. Contigo, with you. Contigo, singular. The you for the second person. Contigo, with you. Com ela eu aprendo. With her I learn. This one, as you can see, is separated. This one works like in English. Com ela ou com ele. With him, with her, I learn. Okay, these ones are similar to English. And also the plural forms. Com eles, com elas, with them, right? Okay. So, this is just to illustrate, to show you how the pronouns work in Portuguese. The grammar thing, the thing you find in the books, and the real spoken Portuguese, right? Another thing, important thing, is about the two personal pronouns, okay? The you singular. In Portuguese you have two, okay? You have tu, that's used informally for people you know, kids, friends, okay? Or people that are in the same rank as you are. And you have the formal one, but the formal one in Brazil, in most states in Brazil, are used as tu, okay? They replace tu by você. Use word here, você. Você means Mr. or Mrs., man, lady, okay, sir. Neutral, in a neutral way. It doesn't have a gender. This is neutral in Portuguese. Okay, so if you treat somebody by você, you mean senhor, senhora. But in Brazil, they use it instead of tu. Right? So, I am from the southern state in Brazil, and here we use tu. Some other states in the north also use tu, okay, but in most regions in Brazil they use você. I don't know why. To me it sounds very strange, very formal. I don't use it at all, alright? But there is a thing I want to show you, okay? In a spoken sentence, okay, here in Brazil, in Rio Grande do Sul, my state, we use tu ajuda ele, right? Remember the conjugation? Eu ajudo, tu ajudas. Okay, you add an S at the end of the words, the verbs. But in spoken, in a daily conversation here, we use in the third person, like he or she, or as você. Você ajuda ele, tu ajuda ele, okay? So, in our case, the pronoun is right, but the verb is wrong, the conjugation is wrong. Okay, in their case, the pronoun is wrong, but the conjugation is right, because você is equal ele, ela, he or she, third person, okay? So, I will always use tu, okay? and I will start using sentences in spoken Portuguese. So if you go to another part in Brazil, São Paulo, Rio de Janeiro, Minas, okay, Bahia, you just change tu by você, and you have the same sentence, okay? I'll talk more about that in future videos. So if you want to learn more, stay tuned, subscribe. I'll see you around.